looking at the ES E-mini futures 2000 tick chart, and we're using price action rules and market geometry to determine where to enter for high probability setups. So as you can see, we started this morning off with a pretty nice downtrend working lower. I thought there could be a potential for a wider downtrend, but considering I've taken a pretty long vacation from trading, I'm going to keep this channel tight with break, push to new extreme. Now you can see if you take an arrow here, you can draw it from the top of this channel to the bottom, and then after the break you do the same thing. You just copy and paste this arrow, and you can see the market likes to move in pairs of twos, like I always say. So this is a downtrend with a break and a second leg to new low, and then we ended up reversing above EMA here. So that's why I'm playing it as a channel with break and push to new extreme already. After new extreme, we can expect correction or reversal. You can see we reversed above EMA. After about this swing, you draw this wider channel here. You can see we broke outside of this channel, had new high, first entry long, pull back, second entry long once it broke above this bull bar here. Pretty decent trade. Fortunately, I wasn't sitting down at the markets when this formed. But if you're here when this happens, man, you can take this trade. It's pretty decent. This uptrend needs a new high, decent signal bar, rejection off of the EMA, second entry long, high probability setup right there. Now there is a higher low here confirming this second entry long, but it's a doji bull bar. You don't really want to go long above a doji. You want to see a strong, any kind of strong bullish momentum, right? Like a bull bar like this, like this, like this. Pretty much any of these bull bars, you're pretty good. You just don't want a super long wick on top. A long wick on bottom is okay because that shows that the bears tried and failed. So there's a high probability that that trade will succeed. So after we create a new high, like I say all the time, expect correction or reversal. We ended up reversing down to the downside. We had overshoot of this small channel, and it led to a break of the other side, and then come back and test this EMA. If we can get a second entry short here, off of the EMA like this one formed, but to the downside, I can consider. But it doesn't look like it's going to pull back. It looks like it's just going to create new low. So I'm going to go back to sitting on my hands, just watching this market form. I'm not even looking for trades. There's a potential that there is a wider downtrend over here that still needs new low. So pretty unclear right now. Definitely a no trade area unless something forms here, because this downtrend needs new low. So let's see what the market wants to do. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Overall, pretty good day. You can see we started the day off with these 2 legs, pushed a new extreme, nice downtrend. We had a breakout side. And then it looks like after a new low was created, we just ended up consolidating to the side with a nice trading range. Overall, pretty decent price action. I didn't take any trades today. I took a pretty good break from trading, little vacation. So I normally, when I come back from a vacation like that, I don't even focus on trying to take a trade or not. I kind of just try to get my mindset back into the trading space and stuff like that. It's easy to lose control in this game, so I think the most important thing you can do when you're sitting in front of the charts is have control of yourself. You can't control what the market's going to do. A lot of traders try to do that and end up losing money. So just sit in front of the charts, watch what it's doing, and if the market offers you what you want to see, then enter that trade. But you got to keep your mind clear that you don't get skewed into one opinion on what the market's doing when the bias is obvious and clear that it's in the other direction, or it could be a lot of things, but patience, man. It's all you need in this game. Patience, and then a decent strategy that you understand enough to where your patience isn't wasted. You get to sit in front of the charts and literally just wait for your setup to happen, and then you have the discipline to be able to execute when that setup happens, right? And not jump in on something that isn't high probability or anything. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be uploading every weekday my live charting sessions. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck with your trading.